Hi, my name is Bill Essert, and I'm the owner of Bay Grab Bar, which specializes in installing custom grab bars, handrails, and ramps in homes and businesses in Napa, Sonoma, and Marin counties. Falls are a leading cause of injury among older adults, and Bay Grab Bar is committed to changing this. As a professionally licensed and insured grab bar installer, I am here to help you or the seniors in your life live safely and independently at home. Whether you need a solution for your home or business, your bathroom, bedroom, stairwell, entryway, or even your garage, your safety and independence matters. I'm here to help. Call me at 707-509-8222 for a free consultation or visit my website at baygrabbar.com. I look forward to hearing from you.